Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into SUI, a cryptocurrency that's making waves in the blockchain world. But before we get into the reasons to invest, let's make sure we all understand what SUI is, and I promise to keep it super simple. Imagine a postal service that delivers packages at lightning speed, securely, and without needing a central sorting office. You send a package, and it arrives almost instantly. No delays, no high fees, and no worries about it getting lost. That's basically what SUI does for digital assets. It's like a super efficient, decentralized postal system for your crypto transactions, making sure everything is fast, secure, and low cost. In blockchain terms, SUI is a digital ledger that keeps track of who owns what, but it's designed to be way faster and more user-friendly than what we're used to. And that's just the start. Let's jump into the 5 reasons why SUI could be a smart investment. Alright, reason number 1. Performance and scalability. If you've ever used a blockchain and felt frustrated by slow speeds or high fees, SUI is here to change that. It can handle up to 297,000 transactions per second. That's like sending 297,000 packages every single second without a hitch. For comparison, Ethereum, one of the biggest blockchains, handles about 30 transactions per second. SUI is in a different league. But how does it do this? Well, it uses some clever tech, like the narwhal and bullshock system, and an object-based model that lets it process transactions in parallel. Think of it like having multiple postal workers delivering packages at the same time, instead of waiting in line. This means SUI can scale up as more people use it, without slowing down. So whether you're trading, gaming, or just sending crypto, SUI keeps things moving fast. Moving on to reason number 2. The team and the funding behind SUI. The company building SUI is called Mysten Labs, and it's led by ex-Meta engineers. Yes, the same Meta that owns Facebook. These are people who've worked on some of the most advanced blockchain projects, so they know what they're doing. But it's not just the team, it's also the money backing them. Mysten Labs has raised $300 million from top venture capital firms like Andreessen Horowitz, Binance Labs, and Coinbase Ventures. That's not just pocket change, it's a massive vote of confidence from some of the smartest investors in crypto. One thing I know about crypto is, when the big players are betting on SUI, it's worth paying attention. Reason number 3 is all about the features that make SUI stand out for developers and users. First, it uses a programming language called Move, which was designed to be super secure and efficient. This means fewer bugs, fewer hacks, and a smoother experience for everyone. But it's not just for developers. SUI has some cool features for everyday users too. For example, there's something called ZK Login, which lets you log in using your existing accounts, like Google or Facebook, without needing a complicated crypto wallet setup. And here's the best part: sponsored transactions. This means that in some cases, you might not even have to pay gas fees. Someone else can cover them for you. It's all about making blockchain easy and accessible, which is a big deal for mass adoption. Now let's talk about reason number 4, SUI's growing ecosystem and partnerships. SUI isn't just a blockchain, it's a whole world of projects building on top of it. There are over 80 projects already, ranging from decentralized finance to NFTs to gaming. In fact, the total value locked in SUI's protocols is $1.7 billion, which shows that people are actually using it. And it's not just small projects. SUI has partnerships with major brands like Red Bull Racing. Imagine seeing SUI integrated into fan experiences, or even gaming platforms tied to Formula 1. That's real-world adoption, and it's a sign that SUI is here to stay. Plus, with a grants program that's already funded over 80 projects, the ecosystem is only going to get bigger. Finally, reason number 5, and this is the knockout punch: SUI's tokenomics and staking rewards. SUI has a capped supply of 10 billion tokens, which means there's a limit to how many will ever exist. But here's the cool part: it's deflationary. That means over time, tokens are burned, reducing the supply and potentially increasing the value of the tokens you hold. On top of that, you can stake your SUI to help secure the network and earn rewards of 2.3 to 2.5% per year. It's like earning interest on your investment just by holding and supporting the network. And to protect the price, there's a cliff lock, which means early investors can't dump their tokens all at once. It's designed to keep things stable and rewarding for long-term holders. So there you have it. 5 solid reasons to consider investing in SUI lightning fast performance with up to 297,000 transactions per second. A rockstar team backed by $300 million from top investors. User-friendly features that make blockchain accessible to everyone. A thriving ecosystem with real-world partnerships like Red Bull Racing. Deflationary tokenomics and staking rewards that benefit long-term holders. If you're already holding SUI, these are great reasons to stay confident. And if you're new to SUI, maybe it's time to take a closer look. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more crypto insights, and drop a comment below. Tell us which of these 5 reasons resonated most with you. See you in the next video.